Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a quick actionable backup and confirming power. First, backup contacts, photos, and app data to My Cloud or transfer to your PC. This prevents data loss. Once done, charge the phone to at least 50% and connect to Wi-Fi so downloads finish smoothly after the reset. Make sure you know your My account and Google credentials. You may need them to bypass activation lock. Now open Settings and find About Phone to access the reset options. You move into the execution phase with precise steps and alternatives. In Settings, go to About Phone or Additional Settings, then Backup and Reset and choose Erase All Data. Confirm with your PIN or password so the process starts. If the phone is frozen or you cannot open Settings, use Recovery Mode. Power the device off, then press and hold volume up plus power until the My logo appears, navigate to wipe data with volume keys, and confirm with power. This clears apps, accounts, and stored settings. You finish by rebooting and verifying access so the phone is fully usable. After wipe data completes, choose Reboot System Now and wait. Initial boot can take several minutes while Android rebuilds. Once booted, sign into your My account and Google account to restore backups and remove activation lock. If the phone gets stuck in a boot loop, return to Recovery to wipe cache partition, or, as a last resort, reflash the official ROM using My Flash. This resolves software corruption when wipes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.